structure of meta tag looks like. Well, meta tag usually contains name HTML attribute or http-equiv attribute and content HTML attribute. Name and http-equiv are mutually exclusive attributes, which means if you use name, you will not use http-equiv attribute, and vice versa. Name HTML attribute represents what we want to set with the meta tag. So if we want to set who is the author of our website, for a name, we need to set value author. http-equiv is attribute that we use to represent instruction for our HTTP protocol. So basically things like what type of content we are sending in our document can be set here. And content is attribute that represents value or meta tag. So if we want to set who is the author of our website, for the name we will use author value, and for content we will set name of that author. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.